Hey everyone, this is Pritam and welcome to Struct with Pritam. Today we have launched our course that is complete ETABS course from zero to hero. This is basically the ETABS masterclass from the scratch to carry out the structural analysis and design of a real world G+3, G+4 and G+8 story building. Basically we are going to take here 6 different models and it include G+8 story, G+4 story, G+3 story, G+2 story, and this course is present on Udemy platform. Okay, in this course we are going to deal here with complete modeling, analysis and design ETABS. It is basically present as per the Indian standard codes, and it is as per the latest updates of 2026 version and latest 22.7 version of ETABS. Let's see what we are going to cover in this complete course. This course is basically divided into 9 sections, that is section 1 which will cover the introduction to ETABS. Then section 2 will cover the model 1. Basically we are going to take 6 different models. In it, section 2 will cover the model 1, that is the basic building modeling, analysis and design. We will see all its steps and what are the things and all the things we will see in this basic model. And then after we will start with this section 3 where we will seeing this model 2, where we will be seeing the manual modeling method on model 2, means the building 2. Then section 4 we will be starting with this model 3. In it we will see the advanced fast modeling methods by using the AutoCAD tools. Okay, and then after we will start with this section 5 where we will be seeing how to model a staircase in ETABS. There are basically 3 types of the staircase we will model. Okay, we will see in detail afterwards. In section 6 we will start with this model 4, which is a G+8 story apartment building in ETABS. After that we will be start with this section 7 where this model 5 will be started, which is a G+3 story residential building in ETABS. After that, with the section 8 we will start with this model 6, that is a G+4 story residential building in ETABS. After this much part we will be covered with our complete course. Some extra part I have taken for your understanding of the upcoming means higher education for you, that is the section 9 where you can start with this advanced part, advanced ETABS concept. In it we will be covering the advanced techniques, which is wind load, earthquake load, diaphragm and mass source. We will be seeing them, how to apply them, how to add them and all these details. Okay, so let's dive in one by one what we are going to see in each section. So let's start with the first section, that is the section 1, that is the introduction to ETABS. In it, first of all we will see what is ETABS. Okay, then after in it also we will see the user interface of ETABS. Then the third is the steps of modeling, analysis and designing of a building in ETABS. After that, section 1 will be get completed with we will start with the section 2 where the model 1 will be started. In it we are going to take it on a simple basic building. Okay, and this model 2 is consist of 18 videos, means there are basically for a process of modeling, analysis and design of a building in ETABS, there are basically 18 steps we need to follow up. So these steps are, first of all, it is the defining the grids and the stories, which is make a simple grid. We will be making a simple grid format. Then the second step is define the materials. There are basically different materials, that is the steel, concrete and all these things we will be discussing. Then define the frame section. In the frame section comes the all the beams and the columns. In the fourth is the define slab section. Fifth is the start modeling. We will be model this our whole basic building, that is the model 1. In it we will be seeing the beam, column and the slab. In the sixth step will be the checking the model, is all the things we have done are the correct or not. Then after we will be started with the 7th step, that is the define load pattern. This is basically in the section 2 only. Okay, define load patterns. In it we will be defining 4 load patterns like the dead load, live load, floor finish and ceiling plaster load, wall load. Okay, after that we will start with this step number 8, that is the define load combinations. Step 9, that is the assign shell loads. Step 10, that is the assign frame loads, that is the wall load. Then after the step 11 will be the assign the restraint to the footings. We apply the restraint to our the foundation level. So how you will be seeing that in it is been covered in detail. Okay. Then after that assigning the restraint to the footing in the 11th step, we will start with the run analysis check. Okay. After this run analysis, there are basically different checks we need to follow up based on the code books. Okay. So the books are the checks are in the 13th step. We will be checking the check deform shape for the deflection criteria, then check member forces for the bending moment, shear force diagram, axial forces we will see in the step 14. In the step 15 we will be start with the check reactions. What are the values coming at our foundation level of the whole building? We will be seeing it in the step by step format. In the step 16 we will be seeing for the start design check, which is basically for a RCC building it is a concrete frame design, for a steel structure it is a steel frame design. Then after we will start with this step 17, that is the design information or the design checks we need to follow up. And after that there are basically different design checks. I have covered all of them. In the step 18 we will be start with this check for the member passing the design check. This will be the last step of this model. Okay. After, if any member fails, we will be seeing why the problem is and we will be resolving it perfectly. Okay. Like this way we will cover up with this model 2. Model 1. Okay. Now in this section 3 we will be start with this model 2, where we will be manually modeling using a manual modeling method. Okay. It will be a step-by-step method. Basically in the model 2 it will be a symmetric building, but in this model 3 I have just advanced up it a little bit. So in it we will be seeing for a making an unsymmetrical plan model in the two ways that we will be seeing. Okay. First, what we will be covering here, that is the extra parts rather than these 18 steps. These 18 steps, what we have discussed in the model 1. We will be doing all these steps in each and every model. Okay, there are basically 6 models we are going to take. In each and every model, we are going to take all these 18 steps. Okay, but extra part in this section 3, in each section, I will be adding some extra things. So you will be get cleared with much more concepts. So in this section 3, we will be getting this topics as the column orientation, changing them orientation, one-way slab, two-way slab discussion, as it is an unsymmetric plan. So we will be dealing all of this in detail. And then after we will start with this section 4, where we will be seeing for this model 3, which in a form of the advanced fast method. There are basically two methods I have taken, that is the manual modeling method in this section 3, and in this section 4, in the model 3 I have taken advanced fast method for doing work in ETABS. So first thing, in it also we will be completing all the 18 steps, but extra part of it we will be adding here is the importing AutoCAD plan into ETABS. Then the second one will be the DXF import method, DWG workflow. These are some of the formats present of the AutoCAD. I will be explaining each and everything in detail. After that, section 4 will be completed, and we will be start with this section 5, where we will start with the staircase modeling in ETABS. In it, we are going to see the 3 types of the staircase modeling, that is the dogleg staircase, spiral staircase, and circular staircase. We have covered all this concept in very clearly in it, and you will be much more cleared when you see these topics. After that, section 5 gets over. In this section 6, we have taken the model 4. Till now we have covered 3 models and the staircase part. So all your concept will be get cleared. So after that, section 5 we will be start with this section 6, where we will start with this model 4, which is a bigger building, that is the G+8 residential apartment building. Okay, in it we will be seeing the discussion. We will be covering this G+8 story building also in the 18 steps, but apart from that 18 steps of the clearing, we will be discussing here the AutoCAD plan, then defining and assigning the modeling data, then load application, different load application, what are they, we will be seeing, then the analysis and designing. All the things we will be doing in this model 4 of the G+8 residential apartment building. Okay, like this way we will be completed with this G+8. In it, if the members fails, how to resolve them, how to change the member sizes as per the course, and all the things I have discussed and taken in this course. Okay, so after that we will start with this section 7, that is where we will be start with this model 5, that is the G+3 residential building. Why I am taking this much buildings? Because if you just do only one building, then you will be not able to get cleared all this concept. So each and every building has different segments and different extra parts. Okay, so in this section 7 model 5 G+3 residential building, we have discussed here, first of all discussed the AutoCAD plan, then we have discussed here the secondary beams, what are they, and all the concept of the secondary beam, how to add them, and all the concept. After that, we have seen for this third is the release movement in the secondary beam, how to release them. It is the very much important topic present. Then after, we have seen for the defining, modeling, assigning the loads, analysis and design. All these steps covers the 18 steps. Okay, like this way we will be completed with this model 5 of the section 7. And then after, we will be start with this section 8, where we will be start with this model 6, that is G+4 story building. In it, we will be seeing for defining, modeling and assigning the load, analysis and designing part. Here, till here, the course get completed. Okay, but for your more understanding, I have taken some extra part. But before this model 6, here you can see that in this model 6, these are the 5 parts. These 5 parts are being covered fully of these 18 steps. Okay, if any member fails, how to pass that, how to check all these checks and all the things I have cleared up in this model 6 also. Okay, then after, the section 9 will be started. This is the extra part I have taken in this course. Okay, that is the advanced part based on the G+4 story building. Here we will be seeing first of all the introduction to lateral loads. What are lateral loads? The earthquake loads and the wind load, whatever coming in the horizontal direction, are the lateral loads. I have cleared all this concept, and rather than this lateral load, what we have discussed here is the dead loads, live load, floor finish and ceiling plaster load. All that loads are the horizontal loads coming on the building, or we call them as the gravity load. But in this section 9, this is the advanced part, so we have taken here the lateral loads. Then after, we will see for the earthquake theory, that is the very much important. Then after, third part, that is the define earthquake loads. We will be seeing it as per the IS 1893-2016. Then after, we will see for the define diaphragms. Then after, we will see for the assign the diaphragm, how to assign them. This is very much important. This only covers how the load will be acted on our building. Then after, in the sixth video, we will be seeing how to define the wind loads, which is as per the IS 875 part 3 2015. Then we will see for the defining the load combination, and after that, at last, we will see for the define the mass source. This is very much important when we are going to use for the earthquake and wind load applying on our building. Then this mass source is very much important. Like this way, we will be covered with this advanced part of our course, and that's how we will be completed with our course. And after that, we will be seeing one video, which is the course conclusion and earthquake perspective. Basically, for your further learning and all the things, this is very much important. Okay, like this way, we have been completed our whole content of what we are going to see. So this is our complete ETABS 0 to Hero course, which is from basic to advanced level. In it, we will be covering the practical, industry focused and the beginner to advanced level, all this concept. In it, we will be start with the structural modeling, load application, analysis and results, and design of the RC structure, reinforced concrete structure. Then we will see for this G+8 story real project workflow, how it actually works, what are the 18 steps and all these details. And to be noted, this is our on Udemy, this is our highest rated course with highest rated ETABS course. Okay, so here we will be seeing step-by-step learning, practical example, industry standard practices, lifetime access of this complete course to you. Whenever you want to watch it, you can watch it and learn at your own pace. Means there is no limit. Whenever you can use it, you can use it. In 4 days you can complete it, or you can give a year also it. Okay, so like this way, this is our complete course, and enroll now and upgrade your skill. And many of student ask for the coupon codes for this courses, so I have added here, that is the use coupon code, that is get at 499. This is the biggest offer I have added here, that is you can get this course at a lowest prices. Just choose this get at 499 in the coupon, and you will get this course at very minimal prices. On YouTube, you can check this course link in the present in the description. And like this way, we will be get completed with our complete ETABS course. And one more thing, this is our current profile. here you can see that it is the highest rated course. Over 93 students have taken this and 11 students have given us rating, and it is about 4.8 star. That is the highest rated of this, and I am continuously updating this course. Here you can see that last updated, that is the 6th month of 2026. So, and to get this course at a minimal prices, whenever you are seeing it, you can get here in the what you will learn. Here you can see at this bottom end, that is get at 499. Here I have provided this coupon code that is currently available and currently applicable, but whenever you see, you can change. If the coupon code is not applicable, this get at 499, then at that time here the different coupon code will be present. Use that and get this course at a minimal prices. That's it for this video, and that's it for this introduction. Let's meet in our complete ETABS course from zero to hero. That's it.